So what's up guys? Another day, another vlog. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako kung ano yung mga binigay nating freebies kay client. So ang unit ni client is Montero GLS Automatic. Then si client is Seafarer. Actually kabababa lang ni client. So samahan niyo ako guys kung ano-ano at kung paano kami nag-process ni client. So stay tuned lang guys. Hi guys! Ayan sila client. Ayan.